Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to crochet this stitch over here, which is very beautiful. So you can make this stitch for your blankets, for your cushions, or any crochet project you would like to. So let's get started. So I'm going to chain 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Then you're going to leave this loop here and come here. This one. Right. So the first one. Then to continue the same way. Then into chain 1, 2, 3, and to come here, yarn over, and come this loop, pull through 1, pull through 2, 2, 3. Then pull through 2 loops here. Then again the second 1, 2, 3. Then continue the same way. then yarn over from here in the last stitch. Okay, go through. So see, this is how it's going to look like. Then I'm going to chain one, then two. Yeah, on the back side, return around this loop here to make one stitch. So these stitches that I'm forming is going to work as a borderline to make the next row, so it looks neat and clean at the end of my work. See, this is how it's going to look like. As you can see, it's very neat. So we're going to chain one, two, three, then turn our work around. Then we're going to yarn over and going to go right here as usual. Pull one, two, pull again twice and thrice, and pull through two loops. Continue one, two, three, one, two, three, one, two, three, and one, two, three, one, two, three, one, two, one, two, here, double crochet. So as you can see how it's look like, this is how it's going to look like. Is the same design I made in a stitch, same as this one over here. You can see, so this is how it's going to look. So you can see I have this one here and this one here, the smallest one. So it's going to look like this. So I'm just going to finish here to show you the last part. So I'm going to just chain one, then just finish up. When you have finished your rows, just come right here, pull through and make a chain border so that it can look neat and clean. So this is the border I'm making at last and at the end. So as you can see, how it's going to look like. See, we have a border here and we made this loops here and then the border and the stitch and a border at the final. So whenever you finish your work, it's better in this stitch to make this border here so it looks clean and neat. See, on the other side, this is the right side and this is the back side. So this is how it's going to look like. It's the same stitch as this one over here. You can see it's the same one. So I hope you like my video. Till next time, like, subscribe and share. Bye bye.